Be careful with my heart at sagutin ang weekly question sa TFC Facebook page. Halaga namang mapapaido ka sa wedding promo na ito. Sali na!
This December, let's celebrate the warmth and the joy of Filipino family reunion. Feel the bond as you witness inspiring performances from some of the country's most talented artists. I'm Dominic Roque, and let's toast to the best Filipino artists, all here on Filipino On Demand. Pinoy alternative rock band, Sponge Cola, nice the stage with their well-loved hits. Versatile vocal group, The Company captivates audiences with their distinct pop, jazz, and classic rock renditions. Let's celebrate the warmth and the joy of Filipino family reunions, only here on Filipino On Demand.
Protected us. Now, VA Streamline Home Finance welcomes you home with a special offer to veterans looking to purchase a home or refinance. Call now to see if you qualify to buy a home with no money down payment or monthly mortgage insurance. You may even be able to refinance or cash out on 100% of your home's value. We offer fast approvals and no appraisal or proof of income required. It's our way of saying thank you and welcome home. Call now to see